And now, let us hear a message from our Assistant Regional Director for Operations, Fire Senior Superintendent Rumi Evil Laferte, sir.
Company Commander, bring your troops to parade points. Good morning, my fellow firefighters. Lesson from our resource speaker, to us 25 years back. Retired Chief Inspector Joy Balmores. We've been together since I was the District Commercial of Cagayan last 2015, di ba, Joy? Ay na lang ka. So again, a round of applause to our resource speaker for being with us here today. Of course, to our regional chief of staff, Senior Superintendent Pabre, division chiefs present, ORD personnel, my fellow public servant, once again, good morning. So actually, the message of our resource speaker is very timely because as we all know, we are now celebrating the Women's Month, and he was able to emphasize the importance of a woman, a firefighter, and a woman, of course. So congratulations to all the women around here. So those who are male, kindly greet your co-workers here at your right, at your back, at your front. Happy Women's Day. Please, mga lalaki ha. Of course, with handshake if possible, para at least pag-high moral sa itong mga lady firefighter. Okay, so once again, congratulations. This is only a heads up for everyone. Last week we had a meeting with our regional director and we discussed so many matters regarding our involvement, particularly in the upcoming Northern Mindanao Regional Athletic Association meet to be scheduled on March 26 to 30 at Misamis Occidental. So our regional director committed to deploy personnel, a total of 100 personnel composed of AMTs, rescuers, CBRN technicians, of course our search and rescue team, and of course firefighters and what else? Fire safety inspectors. So that's the commitment of our regional director. Aside from that also, the operations division is now in the process of formulating our implementation plan for the upcoming Kamulan Festival. I was informed that today is the opening, tama ba? Supposedly every April ang opening, and that is a month-long celebration. So I don't know if it's true that today is the opening. But nonetheless, what is important that we need to prepare for our role, of course, because you know, our regional director is very much particular on our involvement. As a matter of fact, he mentioned to us officers that it is right time now for us to go out of the box, meaning magawas luta sa atong lugar, because we cannot deny the fact that in the previous administration all our activity were purely naka-box lang. So according to him, it's now right time for us to go off the box. So whatever activities in the region, we will be participating. As a matter of fact, he also asked us what particular significant activity in Cagayan de Oro City, and we mentioned about the upcoming fiesta on ano sa fiesta natin dali? August 30. Because again, he wants us to be part of the celebration in maintaining the safety of the general public. And same is true with the upcoming Lanzones Festival also, that would be on October. So all the activities in Region 10, dapat daw ang mga Bureau of Fire Protection present. So again, as I mentioned, implant is on the process, and by probably, according to him, not all the month-long celebration of Kamulan Festival, but the day, kumbaga, usually at the end of 2 weeks before the end of the celebration, April probably, April 27. So just prepare all the resources, and that will be deployed for that particular activity. And also, a certain religious group invited us to, of course, our donors for the blood drive or bloodletting activity. Ano sa to, Chris? Actually, yesterday, but it was cancelled and moved on March 26. So, I requested for the donors from this office, CAPTI and Misamis Oriental to represent PEP10. And this coming April 1, so that would be the culminating activity about Fire Prevention Month, which is the highlights of that culminating activity would be Fire Squad Roadshow to be held in the province of Bukidnon, particularly Manolo, Portage. So part of that celebration is again bloodletting activity. So I think EMS personnel requested 10 participants for every provinces. So a total of more or less 70, excluding of course those constituents present in that venue are willing to donate blood. So that would be the most important activity of the Fire Prevention Month celebration. So heads up for those section, particularly FSED and operation for the preparation. And this coming March 24, that's 24 ba ito? Fire Prevention Month and National Paralympics 24. So our contingent will proceed to Subic to participate the National Paralympics, and as a matter of fact, our players already started their practice last week pa at El Salvador, because our regional director doesn't want us to just play and participate. He wants us to be one of the top 5 probably. So kay ulaw daw kayo ang Region 10 kay Kulelat sa band daw master sa band. That's why our band members will also proceed there for the probably the intermission number, and that would be the time also, by the way, for the turnover of the host. For your information, on 2026, the host for the National Fire Olympics is Region 10. Region 10 ang host sa 2026 NFO. And National Headquarters is suggesting that the venue for that big event would be in Bukidnon. So that's why we did the initial meeting with the PPM of Bukidnon, and hopefully, di ba? Balay-balay ilang gusto? Balay-balay. So that needs a very huge preparation comes 2026. So during the culminating program of the National Paralympics, that's the time the host region, say host ginaturo, Subic, isa lang region Subic, R3 will turn over to us as the host for the 2026 National Paralympics. I believe Angel versus Angel already prepared there are things for us to prepare now during the turnover, na ay mga procedure for us to accept the challenge. Actually, it's a challenge because we know for the fact that it's not an ordinary activity, it's a nationwide activity of the Bureau of Fire Protection. So just prepare, because probably all our resources, especially members of or personnel assigned in the regional direct office, to be involved. There's a possibility to be involved in the different committees that will be created. So I think that's all, and once again, good morning to each and everyone.
Thank you for your words of wisdom and reminder, sir.